Working of Green Connect Biogas. This is a Green Connect Biogas model BG3 made from high density polyethylene HDPE material. This biogas unit can process up to 7 kg of wet waste daily and produce approximately 1.5 cubic meter of biogas. This biogas can be used for cooking purpose. Now we will explain how to use your food and vegetable waste to produce the much sought after cooking gas. Step 1. First collect all the vegetable peels, leftover food, rotten food or any other organic waste. Step 2. The segregated waste is then made to a pulp using a food pulper. The waste is fed inside the pulper like this, and water is slowly added along with it in the ratio 1:5. Step 3. The pulp food waste is then fed inside the Green Connect biogas plant through the inlet feed pipe like this. Through the process of anaerobic digestion, the food waste is broken down and converted to biogas within just 24 hours and ready for utilization. This gas is stored in the gas holder like this. Step 4. The control valve is opened and high pressure gas that comes out is used for cooking purpose. Step 5. The outlet water from the biogas is a very rich organic manure which can be utilized for the quick growth of plants. Various models of Green Connect biogas plants. Fiberglass model Green Connect biogas. The working of fiberglass model Green Connect biogas is similar to the HDPE material biogas. However, fiberglass model has the advantage of better aesthetic appeal, better design and quicker installation. Both the HDPE model and fiberglass model biogas plants are prefabricated and easily portable, and hence it can be placed on any open space including rooftops and terrace. Here are the safety features of biogas when compared to LPG. Biogas can ignite only at 750 degrees Celsius and hence cannot ignite in case of an electric short circuit, and it is safe. Biogas is lighter than air and hence in case of a leakage it escapes into the atmosphere, unlike LPG which will settle downwards because it is 1.5 times heavier than air. Biogas is not compressed like LPG and hence it cannot explode. Economic benefits of installing Green Connect biogas plant. 7 kg of organic waste can produce approximately 1 kg of LPG. From just 7 kg of organic waste daily, one can save 30 kg of LPG per month. Taking 1 kg of LPG at 95 rupees, we can save 2,850 rupees worth gas per month. The payback period of Green Connect biogas is less than 24 months. For food waste about 25 kg per day, we also install civil construction model. We recommend this model if there is availability of open space near the kitchen. Green Connect biogas is an excellent decentralized waste management system and helps the environment stay green and clean, apart from improving the health and sanitation of its surroundings. Some of our proud institutional customers: Sona College of Technology, Salem; Golden Gates Matriculation High Secondary School, Salem; Little Flower Matriculation High Secondary School, Salem; Kamala College of Nursing, Salem; Vaishya College, Salem; the Salem Chevrois Hotel, Salem; the Mount Litera Z School, Karur. Thanks for watching our presentation. For further clarifications, you may contact 9600329935 or visit our website greenconnect.in. Thank you.